Hello everyone, welcome to class 12th poetry Flamingo. So this is poem 5th of Flamingo, which is Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. About the poet. Adrienne Rich, 1929, was born in Baltimore, Maryland, USA. She is widely known for her involvement in contemporary women's movement as a poet and theorist. She has published 19 volumes of poetry, 3 collections of essays, and other writings. A strong resistance to racism and militarism echoes through her work. The poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers addresses the constraints of married life a woman experiences. Before you read, what does the title of the poem suggest to you? Are you reminded of other poems on tigers? Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen, bright topaz denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the men beneath the tree, they pace in the sleek chivalric certainty. Aunt Jennifer's fingers, fluttering through her wool, find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. When Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with the ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. Here in this poem, denizen means a person or animal or a plant that lives or grows or is often found in a particular place, and sleek means elegant. Think it out. How do denizens and chivalric add to our understanding of tigers' attitudes? Why do you think Aunt Jennifer's hands are fluttering through her wool in the second stanza? Why is she finding the needle so hard to pull? What is the suggested by the image massive weight of Uncle's wedding band? Of what or of whom is Aunt Jennifer terrified with in the third stanza? What are the ordeals Aunt Jennifer is surrounded by? Why is it significant that the poet uses the word ringed? What are the meaning of the word ringed in the poem? Why do you think Aunt Jennifer created the animals that are so different from her own character? What might the poet be suggesting through this difference? Interpret the symbols found in the poem. Do you sympathize with Aunt Jennifer? What is the attitude of the speaker towards Aunt Jennifer? Notice the colors suggested in the poem. Notice the repetitive use of certain sounds in the poem. Thank you.